line for the virtual. Now what happens here is, if we, you know, if we take this off, if we fill this form with the wrap equals to virtual, the similar thing, the when we wrote wrap equals to off, the string of this address text area will go as a as in the single line, so it would be mess. So what we write here is, in the text area is wrap equals to physical, and the string will get into another page how we want it to be. Another field is, we write if this form is incomplete due to the submit button, so we will give input type equals to submit and slash closed input close. See, there is submit button. So what I do is, if I click on submit, it would be redirected into example.html. Now what I do is fill this form, Yuvraj, password Yuvraj, confirm password Yuvraj, mail, software skill, all of them, postgraduate, address Dehradun. Now submit. So in the URL option, what I see is this is the query string. Now I will show you what I what we get. The as I have said that there are two methods for the redirection option. As we have used the get method, you can see the if for the text field I have given the name, that is txt username, and txt username Yuvraj appears there. Another one is, first I have to, resize these windows so you can see it. Another one is, you can see that txt username Yuvraj appears there in the example page, and pwd user, that is for the password, and pwd confirm password is also appearing there in the query string. All the names, values will be appearing in that search string. See, pwd this is wrong actually, because the password is appearing there, and it would be like anyone can, expose us due to this problem. When we are using the get method, every single username we have given here is appearing on this example.html page, so it is not good for us. So if I am taking it back, so what I do here is first resize these windows so you can see it in a better way. See, this is a query string. If I change the method to the post, then if I take it back, I'm filling this form again. Yuvraj, password Yuvraj, confirm password Yuvraj, and skills are all of them. I have written it qualification UG. See this, the query string is empty now due to the post method. So post method is better for all of us, so our text or password do not get exposed, and do not make us exposed on any processing page. This is what we do. Now I will give the value to the submit button, and I also make another similar button, that is for the reset. So now what this reset do now, as you all have as you all know about the reset, that it would reset all the values if I fill it. Like I need to show you the example. Yuvraj, password Yuvraj, and software skills PG Dehradun. Now I should click on this reset, and all of that has been disappeared. This is also good for if what I do is, like, we have given the values Now you would understand why we gave the values to be empty. That is for the reset. If I reset, the values will appear here, but if the radio boxes are used, the value will not be appearing because those are not the text field or the password field. I have also not given the values in the text area, so no values in the text area when we reset the form, when we reset our form. So this is what our reset do. Now I'm filling another data, like for Suraj I'm giving username Suraj, password Suraj, confirm password use Suraj, you are physically challenged, yes. C Java HTML as the software skills, address I'm giving location, and when I'm submitting it and getting back, the Suraj is filled there. See, history has been saved there. So this, for this purpose, the reset button is used. When I reset it, it resets all the data, all our data. Now I will write Yuvraj and get back. I will see Yuvraj. Another thing is, if we are filling any form, we have the entry control in the form. So I am writing here in the text field of username, in the input type of the username to be required. So if I fill this form without the name, it won't get filled and get redirected. It will ask us, and similar thing I am giving in the password required and in the confirm password. So we won't go without seeing or writing on these text fields or text boxes or in the password boxes. See, it is asking every time, it is asking please fill this. Now it is asking for the password if I am submitting it without password. It is also asking for the confirm password. Also I should do is it for the text area, so I won't be missing the location. Now you have learned that how we will be making the form with the entry control attributes, that is required. You have to give the required field every time you fill forms. So this is it guys, this is how we make a simple form in HTML. Hope you would have liked it and learned it. If you have any queries, please ask me. I'm always available. My number, as I have shared in the groups, in our WhatsApp groups. And remember that you have
Most
most
of
of
the
the
students are not
assignments
giving
also
assignments on
the
time,
time,
I
and
can understand
that will be
they might
flexible.
be preparing for
If you have
something or must
done
have
any
some
assignment,
assignments
if you are
also.
given any
But
assignment, you can
for the
submit
flexibility
it in
issue,
1 week before another lecture. Like you have 2 lecture in a week, that is in Monday and in I guess Thursday. So Monday I would be for the Monday assignment, I would like it to be given on Saturday, and for the Thursday, it should be submitted before the Monday's lecture. So please remember to do your assignment. You can be asked to show your assignments anytime from this day, and the HODs and the respected faculties had made it clear that we should be having a strict protocol for these assignments. So please guys, bear with us. And I know this pandemic situation is tough, so please guys, please learn and ask if you need anything or if you have any query. So this is the form tag with HTML, and I'm signing off. This is me, Yuvraj. You can contact me with the help of WhatsApp, or I have given my number. So bye guys, thank you.